Hello students, welcome to this very important, a short video, but a very important video. It's like a word of caution students primarily, knowing the fact that the 5th of July the examination has been announced by the ICI just 2 or 3 days back. Frankly, many students have been asking me about my a firm view about, sir, whether we should be, what exactly is the take, examinations are going to happen or not. Students, as such, primarily you will have to go with what primary is available, data is available with you, that is 5th of July. But going by the present scenario, frankly speaking, I don't see any sort of a scenario wherein we can find that the situation has really improved. I just will tell you that let's have a look to the 15 days, I think 15th of April onwards, when the cases started picking up. In fact, Maharashtra was the one which actually announced the lockdown at the very first of it. In fact, in Mumbai, we are finding the things under control because we are under the lockdown for the last 2 months. Effectively, now it is going to be in the month of June. It will get into a 2 months, 1.5 months at least. Now we are in the lockdown phase, and I think they are going to open up by 7th of June. So it took that much period, but still in Maharashtra the cases are at 22,000 or so. So we have reduced from 50% has been reduction. Just imagine now, if the things opens up, we are still at around 2 lakh plus at this stage. The cases are still at 2 lakh plus. I remember the last year when we were doing it in this regard, the cases were around 40,000, 50,000 that the examination everything got postponed. Here we are still in 2 lakh plus, and that too in a full-fledged lockdown scenario in many of the parts of India. I think Delhi is going to open up. Many Karnataka also is going to get opened up. Maharashtra would also be on the verge of opening up. The situation, because the things in lockdown, that we have been successful to bring it down to 2 lakhs at this stage. But still the situation is grim outside. Primarily in the lockdown phase also the situation is grim outside, we all know. So frankly speaking, I am not sure about what primarily would the situation would be, but yes, my basic purpose here for all the students is this, specifically those students, because the situation is really very grim. Those students who have contacted with COVID, maybe in this particular period itself, for all of them, this video primarily is for all of them majorly, because just ensure students your health is a priority first. Examination is secondary. Please don't stress out much at this stage, because as we all know, after recovering from COVID, in fact I am also in the same phase at this stage. After recovering from the COVID, there is a 1 month period which is very critical, and therefore this period is very critical, wherein less you are expected to have a more we have to be more careful in this stage because of the all the medication that has gone in while the you were COVID positive. This is an important period of recovery. So in fact your health has to be first, make the examination secondary of all the students who are actually were COVID positive. If anyone in your family primary is stuck in that, your first responsibility is towards them, and the second would be your examination. You try to in fact balance out in this way that you don't take much of stress for the examination perspective. As I told you, 5th of July, it may happen, it may never happen, it may get postponed or it may get called off, that is different thing. But even if it happens, I'm telling you students, nothing is going to change. Primarily, if supposedly some students have to skip this attempt and they will have to give November attempt for any reason, because I have seen, in fact if you remember students, All India third rank, he could not give this November examination and the November 20 examination, and he have to opt for Jan 21. Same also happened for our AIR1 Bimal. He also said the same thing. He also said in this one of the interviews which I was talking to me, he also said that he had to skip his one attempt in between, and then he had to appear for the Jan 21 attempt, because this COVID factor, something of that sort has happened. So there is nothing, and I'm telling you students, even though those who would clear in this, say for example if it happens in July and those people clear it, the economy is so grim at this stage, I don't think there would be enough of job primarily at this stage. once the entire everyone is vaccinated, people are in full force, are into the in the mainstream job. At that stage only we can find that there would be enough of job that would be available to absorb the CAs who will qualify. So please, here at this stage, don't think that anything is waiting. Even though you qualify, I've seen many students who have qualified in the last attempt, still they are searching for the job, because where you are going to get job in this particular scenario? Everyone, the health is become the, even those who have qualified, for them they have also started giving the priority towards their health. This is the situation that we are all in at this point of time. So my humble suggestion to all of you is this, that at least those who have stuck with this COVID part and they are in that 1 month period, please ensure that your health is priority. Don't stress out. This is a very critical period for all of you. And maybe in your family also, any who are undergoing this particular COVID, your first responsibility is towards your family. Examination primary, as I told you, I have got a serious doubt whether we are, because just I think IIT JEE, which is actually only for a day, which was supposed to held on 3rd of July, even they have postponed their examination. In fact, I think 2 days back only the notification came. So even they have postponed their examination. Situation which I'm just trying to convey to all of you is this, that please students, health is the first and foremost thing. If you were blessed enough not to in fact get stuck with this particular pandemic, you should in fact go with all out primary strategy and all. But those students, at least, in fact I'm telling you students, because I myself was in this particular period and I know what exactly these situations are. It's a very grim situation. So please take care of your health. That is the most and most important priority. Bullet revision students, you can see for this particular part, in the bullet revision, I am starting with this particular part. Many students were asking for the bullet revision also. Now we have already announced the bullet revision. First, I think this is a 1 hour daily dose of bullet revision. Please continue with this live lecture which will be there. I will be putting the link of the bullet revision in the description box. Also in my Telegram channel, CA Durgesh Singh, you will find the link of the bullet revision. It would be in English so that all the students can be served in this case. Bullet revision, again I'm talking about it, what exactly it would be. It takes into account all the best adjustment of the practicals and the difficult area of the theory, everything blend of this, and this is what has been served to you on that 1 hour lecture every day. So it's 1st June to 20th of June, which would be there. I think 20th of June, so that is 1 hour daily. Just stay in tune with this bullet revision. It would be really be very helpful for all of you. Okay, please do take care of your health students. As I told you, this is what I feel. Don't think of the examination part. Health is the priority. As I have got a strong feeling, I've got a serious doubt about how they are going to do it in this thing, and because once the things start opening up again, the danger is that situation may be a bit this stage. It will take some more time to get the situation under the control. So students, I'll see you now in the bullet revision starting on 1st of June. Timing of direct tax would be in the morning, and that is at 10:45. It is there in the description link. I'm just 10:30 or 10:45 in the morning, 1 hour. 10:30 or 10:45 in the morning every day, 1 hour. Okay, so that is what it is. November 21 students also, they can take the benefit of this particular thing, because I think you are having the lockdown thing. You are also not going to the office, so all the November 21 aspirants also take the benefit of the same. Okay, so that is what it is. See you then students soon. Thank you very much, and do take care of yourself. Thank you.